My name is Melissa Fulton, and I'm a nurse practitioner at the Multiple Sclerosis Clinic. I have been here in Wahoo almost for 2 years. On December 2nd, it will be 2 years. I have had a longer journey as a nurse practitioner. I actually worked in Lincoln and practiced there since 2004 as a nurse practitioner, and prior to that as a nurse at the Urology Center since 1997, and worked at the VA hospital from 1991 to 1997. I love taking care of patients. That is my biggest passion, not only just their physical being, but their mental being as well. I practice very holistically. Oftentimes with multiple sclerosis patients, we have to worry a lot about a lot of social issues that come into play. Finances, those kinds of things can be a big struggle due to the medications that we use and the cost of those medications. And so it's not just a single thing. It envelops all of the realms of the patient, their social life, their mental health. It is a labor of love, but just seeing those patients, and if you can make any simple little improvement in their life, in one area of their life, then I feel like I've done my job. I really believe in an open door of communication, and you really kind of befriend these people. They become part of you, and you're really concerned again about their entire well-being. And so that's probably the part that I like the most. Is if I didn't have to do the paperwork, that'd be great. But the patient care is a great sense of community. I worked in Lincoln, so that was a little bit faster pace. I appreciate the intimacy of getting to know people here as far as your coworkers go a little bit more closely. But I really have learned to enjoy the outside things that Wahoo offers. The lakes. My husband and I are avid outdoorsmen. My husband's a fisherman. We like to kayak. We like to boat. So we like the lake. I love the bike trail. I love to bike a lot. And so those are probably the things that we've really learned to enjoy. My family is actually all from this area, and that's what brought us this direction. My mom, my stepmom, and my 7 siblings all live close by. So a little bit more of a support system. So it's been good to be closer to my family again when I've been away from them. Even though 2 hours doesn't sound like a long ways, it's still difficult to get up and do some things that you would normally not be able to do. So that part's been good too. Collaboration is huge, not only amongst us here, but in utilizing the other bigger cities too to collaborate with outside physicians for questions that we may have, or even just to schedule people. We have a specialty clinic that comes in, and I think that there are 13 specialty clinics that bring providers from Lincoln and Omaha. So we collaborate here quite well, but we also collaborate with a variety of other professionals so that we keep up to date. And so we're providing the best, highest standard of care that is available in the community. Physical therapy has been able to come in and evaluate my patients at the drop of a hat if I need somebody to come look at them. Again, if I have a neurosurgeon, I have a question for the neurosurgeon, I can pull up films and collaborate with the neurosurgeon right here at Saunders Medical Center. So there are a lot of great providers and a lot of different ways that we can collaborate to improve the outcome of patient care.